Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.
Hi children, welcome to Add-on Solution. My name is Damodar. Today I am going to teach you first class mathematics lesson number 6, 0. Okay, what is the 0? See children, 0 means we haven't a no objects. Okay, we haven't a no objects. See children, here count the beds in each chain. Write their numbers in the blank box. See children, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beds. So write in 5 here. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Decreased one number. Okay. Compare the 5. Similarly here 3. Here 1. Okay. Next number. Yes, next number is 0. That means we haven't a no objects. That means 0. Okay. Similarly, at the end, how many beds are there in the chain? End of the 0. There are no beds in the last chain. Because there were no beds in the chain, we show it as a 0. Okay, 0 is denoted here. Okay, how many rats are there in the traps? Write their numbers in the blank box. See children, here 3 rats in the box. Okay, rat trap. This box name is rat trap. Okay, there are 3 rats. There are 3 rats in a trap. Here one rat is left. One rat is left. There are 2 rats. Here one rat is left from these 2 rats. So there are 1 rat in the box. Here no rats. In this trap has a no rats. So this is 0. This box has a no rats. So write in 0. This is that means 0 means we haven't a no objects. Okay. Let's go to the next page. How many balloons are there in the boy's hand? See children, this boy has a 3 balloons. Okay. 1 balloon is left. Remaining 2 balloons. Again 1 balloon is left. He has a 1 balloon. Okay. Last one. This balloon is left. This boy has a no balloon. So that means 0. That means 0. There are 3 balloons here. Here only 2 balloons. Here only 1 balloon. So here no more balloons. So write in 0. Okay. Let's learn how to write 0. See children, 0 write like this. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Similarly fill the last boxes. Okay. 0 is written like this. Okay. Okay children, this lesson is completed. Bye.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.